Hey everyone, welcome to JennieTHINGTV, and this gonna be the very first YouTube video that you'll be able to see here or find here on my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can create or set up your very first YouTube account. So first things first, all you need to do is create your Gmail account. Yes, since YouTube is linked to Gmail, so you need to have your Gmail account. So I'm currently at the accounts.google.com right now website, and from here all you need to do is, or if you already have your Gmail account, then you can just go ahead and log in. But if not, if it's your very first time to create a Gmail account, for you to have a YouTube account, then you just need to create a create account. Here just need to click the create account button or link. Okay, if it's for yourself or to manage your business, either way would work for myself. And then from here you just need to fill out your first name, your last name, your username. So it might be a combination of your first name or your last name, or any username that you might want to use. Okay, and it would have a default at gmail.com at the end. And of course you need to enter your desired password and you need to confirm it. Once you're already done, then you can just click on the next button, and from there you will be asked to enter your phone number or your mobile number so your account will be validated. Okay, so I'm not going to go to the entire process as I've already have my Gmail account. All right, so next thing is, once you've already created your account, you just need to log in to your Gmail account. And at the top right, okay, the top right, if you could see this, how many dots? 9 dots right here, this square dots here beside your logo, your username logo here. You just need to click on it and look for YouTube. Okay, so from here you can see YouTube right here, and just need to click on it. Once done clicking on the YouTube button or icon or whatever you call that, you'll be routed to your YouTube account. This is gonna be your YouTube account, all right, where you can upload videos, customize your channel. You can also view your YouTube studio and a lot more. Okay, this is the dashboard, or this is where you can manage everything for your videos, playlists, channels, discussion that you might have when you grow your channel. And you can also manage your about us right here, or about okay, not about us, about. So as you can see, this account that I'm showing to you right now is just a newly created account. I just created this yesterday, and all the links right here, I can also show you how you can do this. Yeah, all you need to do is you just need to click on the customize, this one, customize button, customize channels button, and from here you can click on this like a pencil icon, and this would allow you to overlay the first five, okay, five links that you wanted to put on your, or to link on your YouTube channel. Okay, so I have here mine. I have just the three of the very popular ones. So I have Facebook, Instagram, IG. Oh no, Facebook, Instagram, IG is just the same, and also my LinkedIn account. And yeah, it's just pretty easy. All you need to do is go to your Facebook account, and you just need to click at the top the address bar, and it would give you the link. Okay, or you can just copy this and then your username. That's it. You can just put in there, and you would be able to link your YouTube account to all of your other social media accounts. So it would be easier for your followers to follow some of your social media accounts. All right, it's a way of communicating to each other. And also, if you would also like to update your description, what is your channel all about, so you can also put that right here, channel description, and you can put um, uh, this this for example, this is a lifestyle, I would say lifestyle um, channel. um, okay, more videos coming up, more videos coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. And mind you, you can also yeah, you can put any channel description that you like on here, and you can definitely get this updated every now and then. You can remove information, you can add information. Alright, so that's it, and you just need to click on done, and you should be good. Okay, and if you do have for business inquiries email, you can also click that right here and put the email address and then click done for you to save the changes. Alrighty, so yeah, so home, and then videos. Since like I've said earlier, this is a newly created account, so there's none you can see right here. I just created this yesterday, so yes, so these are my other channels and featured channels. And yeah, so there's the about. Okay, so that's pretty much about how you can start your or set up your YouTube channel. And then you can start uploading your videos right here, and you can also add a channel art right here, so your follower would know what is your channel all about, other than the description on the about, yeah, tab right here. And you can also put add channel art. You can also customize your profile photo. Okay, and if you can also notice, the links that you have right here can be found here, so it will be easier for your follower to click. You just simply click on the links, your Facebook page, your IG account, your LinkedIn account, so it would be easier for them to click. Alrighty, so that's it for today and for this video on how you can start or set up your very first YouTube channel. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe on this newly created channel, and click on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I will post a new video on this channel. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good one. Bye.